Can't even get a car in here. Wonder if they built like a grow room or something right there. Could be. Kind of a converted fourth bathroom, I guess, or fourth bedroom, or an office. Okay. So, looks like we have unconditioned here. So we got one zone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let be 11 duct runs. She's got her mindset on having a ducted system. But normally what I would do in these is I would do a 2-zone Mitsubishi, and I would do a concealed ducted up here, and that would feed the bedrooms and the bathrooms over here, and then we just put a big wall unit up here to feed the common areas. But since they have that converted space over there and there's all that utility, and she wants ducted, we're gonna go see what the crawl space looks like. It's probably not gonna be pretty.